Well, howdy, partner. Here we are at a project where we've got a multi-family residential building, and every apartment in this large project in both towers has Jaga Brisa 22s and slim climate canals in every living room and bedroom. These ones are excited to show you guys on the inside how we've done a very unique and novel heating and cooling solution that made these work in these small apartments in a really cost-effective and quiet way. So I'm in a one-bedroom suite. This is a relatively small one-bedroom suite, around 600 square feet, 60 square meters, and it's now being heated and cooled, conditioned from this Brisa 22 fan coil. This is now all fit within a really shallow wall. So this wall between the bedroom and living room, 12.5 inches deep. Finished one-bedroom suite. This is really le coup de grace with the Brisa 22. This one works ideal for this. Having a quiet EC motor fan coil in a wall where it's not going to vibrate on that wall because the motor is so quiet and internally balanced. Now you have a device with no sheet metal overhead, no drop ceilings. Everything is just in this wall. So we've got return air. These are hinged grills that open up so you can get access to the filter, get access to the fan, get access to the pipe connections. Then you have the coil right here, and then the plenum over top where cold air or warm air, depending on the season, is coming out of that for the living room. And then on the other side of this wall, you have a similar grill for that bedroom. So here I'm in a different suite in this building where they've mounted a Brisa 12 fan coil on the wall. This suite, they didn't have the luxury of a wall between the bedroom and living room where they could share a fan coil in that space. Now we needed an individual fan coil in that space, which this is the Brisa 12. This is now providing 8,000 BTU of cooling, more than that in heating, to totally condition this entire living room. And it's mounted proud of the wall in a relatively unobtrusive location, 5 inches deep, really quiet 24 volt DC fan, adequate for this kind of living space. So this is a smaller bedroom, and in these smaller bedroom, we've mounted a Jaga slim climate canal. So this is meant to be walked on. You can sit on this. It's not gonna damage the unit. It can handle a load for sure. The grill of this, really attractive, can come right off super easily, so you can get access to the fan and clean this really easily. The big thing here is now we needed 6,000 BTU of cooling. So to get 6,000 BTU of cooling, really small unit. There's a coil on the bottom, fan on the top, hydronic pipe connections come in this side. And yeah, this gets us all the cooling required. No duct connections, no sheet metal, nothing. This does everything from this same device.